Natural disaster. Events that take place which causes great damage to human life and property is called disaster. When these disasters are caused due to natural factors, they are called as natural disaster or also called as natural calamities. That is, the disasters that are caused due to natural factors are called as natural disasters or natural calamities. It is a natural phenomena that damages the life and property on earth along with bringing about changes in the landforms and water bodies. It is also caused due to the drastic climatic and weather changes. Types of natural disaster: earthquake, floods, cyclones, droughts, lightning, tsunami, volcano, wildfires, landslides. All these are different types of natural disasters. Now let's see about earthquake. When there is a sudden change deep inside the earth, it shakes the ground or the earth's crust because of the internal changes or disturbances, and this is called as earthquake, also called as tremors. During earthquake, the ground shakes, and when the shaking is strong at places, the grounds crack open. The scientific study of earthquake is called seismology, and the earthquake is measured in Richter scale. Some earthquakes are too strong that buildings, houses, bridges, dams, roads get collapsed. Even people and animals get injured and even killed in an earthquake. An earthquake causes immense damage and destruction to life and property. Precautions: if possible, leave the house and go to an open ground away from trees and buildings. If you cannot go out of the house, lie down under a strong thing like a table and hold on tightly so that it does not slip away. Wait until the shake stops. Flood. A flood is an overflow of water that submerges land that is usually dry. A flood means too much of water everywhere. Floods occur due to heavy rainfall. When there is heavy rainfall, a river overflows and submerges the surrounding areas. Floods destroy the life and property. Preventions. To prevent the floods, the government constructs dams and interconnected canal systems so that the flood water, when there is heavy rainfall, it can be sent to the dams or the canals. Cyclone. A cyclone is a circular storm that forms over warm oceans. Cyclones affect the coastal areas. When a cyclone hits land, it brings heavy rains and strong winds. The winds can destroy buildings and rip out trees and electric poles. Drought. Droughts are caused when an area receives less or no rainfall for a long period of time. In such places, the earth's surface gets cracked. Water bodies like lakes, rivers, ponds, wells become dry. Underground water goes down drastically. It leads to shortage of drinking water, drying up of crops, and increase the prices of essential commodities like food. Lightning. During rainy season, when the sky is filled with dark clouds, we see a flash of lightning in the sky. This lightning is a bright flash of electricity produced by a thunderstorm. All thunderstorms produce lightning and are very dangerous. Lightning may strike the buildings, trees, or fields. When someone is struck by lightning, an electrical shock occurs that can cause burns and even stop the person's heart or breathing. Tsunami. A tsunami is a large ocean wave usually caused by an underwater earthquake or a volcanic explosion or a landslide. The waves travel at a great speed across an ocean. They can remove sand from the beaches, destroy trees, toss and drag vehicles, houses, and even destroy whole towns. Volcano. An opening or rupture on Earth's crust through which molten rock or magma flows out is called a volcano. The release of lava, ash, gases is known as volcanic eruption. These occur mostly on elevated landforms called volcanic mountains. Magma is the molten rock found in the interior of the earth but is called lava when it flows out in the surface of the earth as volcanic eruption. Wildfires. A wildland fire or wildfire is an uncontrolled fire that burns in the forest, grassland, or other sparsely populated area. These burn for usually days and weeks. The recent Amazon wildfire is estimated that over 906,000 hectares of forest within the Amazon biome has been lost to fires in 2019. Landslide. When a large amount of earth and rocks fall from high mountains to valley, it is called as landslide. In case of landslides, large amount of rocks fall from mountains and block the ways in the valley. This injures the people, destroys the roads and buildings which are on that valley. After effects and relief of natural disaster. Earthquake, floods, drought, cyclones, wildfires, lightning, landslides, tsunami, volcano, all these are types of natural disasters and they cannot be prevented. And these cause great damage and tremendous loss of human life and property. So, when a natural disaster occurs, the first priority is to save lives. The government sets up the Disaster Management Committee to help the disaster victims. The National Disaster Management Authority (NDMA), headed by the Prime Minister of India, is the apex body for disaster management in India. Government issues forecasts and warnings and reaches out to save and evacuate victims. It opens rehabilitation center with food, clothing, water and medicine supplies which are very much required for the victims. Many government and non-government organizations, that is NGOs, provide emergency and medical help and take care of rehabilitation measures. Summary of natural disasters. Sudden movement within the earth shakes the earth crust and causes the earthquake. Due to heavy rainfall, rivers overflow and submerge the nearby areas, and this is called as floods. If there is very little rainfall or no rainfall for long time, then it is called as droughts. It causes shortage of food and water. Dying of hunger is called famine. Strong spiral winds traveling at great speed is called cyclones. During rainy season, when the sky is filled with dark clouds, we see a flash of lightning in the sky. A tsunami is a large ocean wave usually caused by an underwater earthquake or a volcanic explosion or a landslide. An opening or rupture on the earth's crust through which molten rock or magma flows out is called a volcano. When large amount of earth and rocks fall from high mountains to valley, it is called as landslide. Thank you.